You and me will always be tight. Family every single day and night. Even when you stop acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. I love you more than anybody else. And every day as a man, I feel cool.
Hey y'all, so to start off this installation, you want to start off with freshly washed and braided hair. Then you want to take a stocking cap of your color or your choice of color and some Got To Be Glue spray. I'm going to be, I guess, blow drying my cap on the cool setting for around 4 minutes. After it's dry, I'm going to cut the excess cap off with my scissors, and we're going to do that. Get our face looking really crazy because we're going to look like an alien because we aren't going to have any hair, or it's going to look like we don't have any hair. But yeah. I'm going to act like, or I'm going to create this bald cap of my finishing powder, put that over the bald cap, and yes. Not to get turned, of course, but the only way it's a video about Sade is if we get turned, period. So the next thing I'm going to do is, we have this new technique where I put the gel onto my forehead, then I put the whole entire lace front, even the excess lace on, blow dry it, then I cut off the excess lace. I actually saw this tutorial or this technique on, I feel like, I don't even know whose page it was, but yeah, it was a cool technique I thought. Now I'm going to be working on baby hair. As you can see, that frontal is snatched with the T, okay? I'm doing my thing, period. Like, this looks really good so far. So I'm going to be creating baby hairs. You guys can do your baby hairs however you want. Don't let nobody tell you any other way. If you want to do them dramatic, period. If you want to do them natural, do them natural. You know, I have my natural days, I have my dramatic days. It just differs on how I'm feeling. There was like so many mosquitoes outside my window, I couldn't stay focused, sorry. But here I'm just straightening my hair. I didn't want it to get bone straight because it was like 12 o'clock in the morning. I was tired and it was just that. So I just did as best as I could with the straightening. And yeah, I gave myself a little side part. That was that. Super cute. This hair is being provided by Ali Julia, by the way. If y'all see that little like brown spot, I went in after this video, fixed it up, put some dye on it so it can blend with the whole entire head. But yeah, so here I'm just dropping my hair because I was going to sleep. But y'all know I sell all my units, so if you guys want this unit, I'm selling it for $100. All you gotta do if you want this is email me and I'll ship it off to you the same day. Super easy process. But yes, that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't let any type of hair to ruin it. It's okay. Stay popping. Stay beautiful. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Mwah.
Last girl signed the divorce so wet. Now I'm focused about the off-road way. Just trying to make the whole crowd go nuts. What? But we don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael.